I'm going to read to you. Daniel Tiger, did you just burp?
No. I didn't, Teacher Harriet.
Don't lie to me. You just burped. Go sit in the corner while I call your parents. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Tiger. Your son Daniel Tiger allegedly burped in class. I am suspending him from school. Can you two please pick him up? Okay, thanks. Bye.
Daniel Tiger, we can't believe you got suspended for burping in class. That's it. You are grounded for 3 months.
Go to your room now.
What?